That calming nature sound or music you fall asleep to, it might be weaponized to destroy your peace of mind. We have already talked about the manifestation methods your conscious mind tends to block. But today, I'm exposing a controversial method that completely shatters your conscious defenses, diving straight into your subconscious to manipulate your reality. Subliminal affirmations. Unlike the affirmations you hear clearly, subliminals are hidden under layers of music or nature sounds. While your conscious mind simply enjoys the music, the hidden affirmations slip entirely unnoticed into your subconscious. Think of your subconscious as a powerful genie in a bottle. It believes exactly what it is told, and it has the absolute power to shift your reality. But what happens when the genie is controlled by someone else? This is where millions fall into a dangerous trap. The online subliminal community. It is filled with anonymous creators uploading audio tracks and desperate users looping them endlessly. To a newcomer, it feels like a magical wonderland. Inside, many in this community gatekeep these audios. When asked why, they claim this is a sacred safe space. We don't want toxic people coming in and making bad subliminals to destroy us. Wait, so they know the terrifying truth. They know subliminals can be weaponized to destroy them just as easily as they can improve them. Yet, they continue to blindly trust anonymous creators on the internet. Do you have any idea what hidden affirmations are layered beneath that calming nature sound or music you fall asleep to? Several highly toxic subliminal makers have already been exposed within this community, leaving behind countless victims who literally lost their sanity, their peace, and their lives to these malicious tracks. And the most terrifying part, even after knowing this dark truth, thousands remain completely stuck in this trap, refusing to leave. Why would you ever gamble your entire life and mental health just for a few temporary positive results? If you are experiencing intense headaches, severe mood swings, or terrifying nightmares, your mind is in danger. Creators will gaslight you, calling this a purging phase or a detox. That is a complete lie. There is no such thing as a detoxing phase in audio frequencies. What is actually happening is your subconscious mind desperately fighting back against harmful, unwanted hidden commands. Those nightmares are a massive red flag. If you feel like you have lost control, don't panic. The solution isn't to stop. It is to do it yourself safely. Once you fall into their trap, the hidden affirmations keep you addicted, making you fear losing the positive results if you stop. But what if I told you there is a way to get results 10 times faster with all 100% safety? The secret is creating your own simple personalized subliminals. You absolutely do not need the complicated formulas, complex mathematical codes, or 10,000 speed repetitions that online submakers constantly brag about. Those chaotic methods do nothing but confuse your subconscious mind, ultimately leading to severe negative results. Your mind responds best to pure simplicity and your own voice. No anonymous creators, no hidden agendas, just you taking absolute control of your mind. And it is incredibly simple to do right on your smartphone. First, write down exactly what you want to manifest strictly in the present tense. Now you might remember in my previous videos I told you to actively prepare for your desires as if they are about to happen to make them happen. Why the sudden rule change? Because that conscious preparation deals with your conscious mind, which knows your current reality and will block anything that feels like a lie. But with subliminals, we are completely bypassing that conscious guard and speaking directly to your subconscious. Your subconscious mind is blind to reality. It simply accepts whatever it is told as the absolute truth right now. So you must write as if your desire is already yours. Avoid negative words completely. Don't write, I never fail. Write, I'm incredibly successful. Your subconscious doesn't process negative structures well, which is exactly why anonymous audios are so dangerous. Just one wrong sentence can manifest disaster. Record yourself reading these affirmations in a calm voice. You only need to repeat them 3 times. You do not need hours of recording. Then open any basic audio editing app and layer your voice recording under your favorite relaxing music or pure nature sounds. Here is the magic step. Lower the volume of your voice track until it becomes a faint, indistinct murmur. You should know your voice is there, but you should not be able to understand the words. Save it, and your ultra powerful, guaranteed saved subliminal is ready. But as you begin using your custom subliminal, you might experience excessive thirst. This is because your subconscious mind is working extremely hard, consuming a significant amount of neurological energy to process these new powerful demands. To support this intense mental shift and prevent severe energy crashes, you must flood your body with water. Drink a full glass before you start. Keep hydrating throughout the day and drink again immediately after you finish. But before you begin listening to your new subliminal, your mind needs to heal. Subliminal makers constantly brag about speeding up and layering 10,000 affirmations into a single 2-minute track. When you mix different creators' complex formulas and loop them for hours, it leaves your subconscious completely exhausted. Even if the affirmations are safe, this chaotic mixing causes severe mental fatigue, which eventually triggers negative results. To clear this clutter, do not use subliminal flashes made by these same creators. Instead, for the next 1 or 2 days, listen to pure white noise, natural rain or ocean waves for just 30 minutes. These sounds carry zero hidden affirmations and act as a natural neural reset, preparing your mind for a clean slate. Now, if you already have a specific subliminal channel that you trust with your life, one that has given you 100% positive results with absolutely no negative side effects, you can stick with it, but drop the rest. You must stop treating subliminals like an overnight magic trick and start treating them like medicine. A medicine heals you when taken in the right dosage, but an overdose becomes toxic. Limit your listening to a maximum of 30 minutes a day, once in the morning and once at night. Hear me clearly. Do not loop them overnight for hours. The online community praises overnight looping, but it is one of the most destructive things you can do to your brain. Next week, in part 2, I'm going to expose exactly how overnight looping silently ruins your mental health, and I will share the chilling personal experiences of what happened when I was trapped in the community. Until then, take back your power, create your own safe subliminal tonight, and share your experiences in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.